How to add Roblox to Discord status. Hi guys, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. Start by opening up a web browser. I have opened Google Chrome here and you want to go to roblox.com. So here you need to first play a game. So I'm going to select this game right here. Now click on the play button and it's going to open up in the Roblox app itself. If you do not have this app, then you will have to download and install Roblox. Once you start playing game on Roblox, then if you open up your Discord, you're going to find the Roblox status updated right here automatically. If the status has not been updated for you, you want to head over to the user settings, and from here you want to scroll down and find the activity settings. Now click on activity privacy. Once you go in here, you're going to find an option that says display current activity as a status message. If you toggle this option on, then Discord will automatically update your status. So if it is turned off, then make sure that you have toggled this option on. Once you do that, any activity will be shown as the status message. And that is it for this video. We hope you guys found it helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.